Are you looking for a quick and easy way to install Google Tag Manager into your WordPress-based website? Then this is your video. Hi, my name is Zselyke, I'm from Zselyke, and in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step how to install Google Tag Manager on your website. I know there's a bunch of plugins that also help you do this and a bunch of different ways and tricks you can implement, which is why I know perfectly well how overwhelming all the options can be. I'm going to be showing you one simple method to do this, and make sure to stick around until the very end because I'm going to be also showing you a way how to verify this. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the way we are going to install Google Tag Manager to your website is using a plugin for WordPress. The reason why I recommend this specific plugin is that it will give you a possibility to edit the body, the header, and the footer of your website, so you will definitely be able to use it for many other things as well, not just for Google Tag Manager, because I don't like installing a specific plugin for every single thing you need to get done on your WordPress site. But this plugin will definitely get a lot of use and is just a very quick and easy way to do this anyway. So let's get started by entering your WordPress site. So you're going to enter your WordPress site, and from plugins, you're going to go ahead and add a new plugin. And the plugin we are looking for is, it's called Insert Headers and Footers. So we're going to go ahead and install this now. Once it's installed, you will also need to activate it. So you have it over here now. And once we have that done, we can go ahead and head to settings. And over here, you should already see it appearing. So we can insert headers and footers over here. As you can see, you can add scripts to the header, to the body, and to the footer as well. It's pretty self-explanatory. You really cannot go really wrong with this one. So once you have this open, we're ready to head back to Google Tag Manager. And once you have entered Google Tag Manager, you can just click this ID code over here, and you will see two scripts over here. One goes to the head and one goes to the body. So what we're going to do, we're just going to copy this one and paste it to the header. And once that is done, we head back to Google Tag Manager and copy this bit to the body. There you go. So actually this should do it, and once you have this added, you simply click Save, and at this point you should have Google Tag Manager installed. Now, although as I said this is a quick and easy way, I do recommend that you always double check that whatever you have installed is working. So the way we are going to do it is, we're going to head to Google Tag Manager, and we're going to head over to preview mode. So once you have entered preview mode, you can head to your website. Mine is currently under the work, so it's not the final website that you will see. But you enter your website and then you reload it. And if the preview mode appears here in the bottom, then you can really see that the Google Tag Manager is firing correctly and it's all set up. There's another way to also check that everything is set up correctly, and this is using Google Tag Assistant. So with Tag Assistant, it's a very quick and easy Chrome extension that you can also download for your browser. I use it quite a bit and I recommend it. It makes my life so much easier. So over here, you can just click on it and make sure to always enable it before you start using it. And then you will just have to refresh the page. And at this point, if your tag is installed correctly, then it should appear over here as Google Tag Manager, and the ID code should be the same as you have over here on your Tag Manager site. So if these two both worked correctly, then it looks like you have Google Tag Manager set up correctly and you can start using it normally. Tag Manager is a super helpful tool, and you can install a lot of other different types of tracking with it, and you can really customize how you collect data from your website. So I highly recommend you give it a try, and I'm going to post further videos about how you can customize Google Tag Manager for your website, and I hope that's going to be useful for you. I hope you found this content useful and that you already have your Google Tag Manager up and running for your website. If you want to see more content like this from me, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I do post new videos every Wednesday. If you ever need more digital marketing help with your business, you also might want to know that I offer digital marketing consultations and ad management also for small businesses. You will find all the necessary information about that in the description box below, and also ways to get in touch with me if you need such services. And other than that, I hope you have a beautiful day.